Have a good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Anami Batayo Sasidon. I am 27 years old, married, and a mother of two kids, a 5 years old boy and a 3 years old girl. I am from Cogon, Compostela, Cebu City, Philippines. I am the eldest among my five siblings. My height is 5 feet, my weight is 48 kilograms. I am a high school graduate. In year 2015 until 2018, I was a nanny in Manila, Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the children, taking a bath, feeding, and to make them happy. I also do a housework. I can clean the house, washing the clothes, ironing, gardening, marketing, and I can cook also. I want to go to Hong Kong to earn money for my families and for the best future of my kids. Before I end this introduction, I would like to share you a song, a title of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Thank you. Hope you like it. And to my future employer, if you will give me a chance, I will do my job or assignment given by me with extra excellent work, and I'm easy to correct my mistake. And for most, I am a loyal, trustworthy, responsible, and a hardworking person. All I can promise, I will follow and participate the assigned tasks given by me. Thank you, Mom and Sir. Have a good day.